Hi, my name is Tristan Morris. I'm the CEO of InVis Retail Systems, and today I'm going to go through a product demo of InVis. So to start, I want to tell you a little bit about the Google Nearby service, which is what we help get small retailers listed on in order to benefit their store. So Google Nearby is a service that was created by Google in order to help increase product visibility of local retail stores, where Amazon was originally completely dominating the search experience for searching for products. And so as you can see here, the first results are Ace Hardware, Dick's Sporting Goods, Academy Sports. All of these are enterprise level retailers, and they're showing up ahead of Amazon because of that geographic relevancy component that they can provide to rank higher on Google. And so that was the first page. On the second page, it's more enterprise and more enterprise. And so we make it easy for SMBs to list, which is why we feel like they're not listing right now based on our customer research. And so in order to list them, our first initial customers are going to be Shopify customers, and this is how we would get them set up. We only need three pieces of information. So first, we need the URL for their Shopify store, and second, we need their collaborator request code, which can easily be found in their users and permissions settings page. After that, we can request access to their store with those two pieces of information and the required permissions, and we can run queries to get results of all the product information they have in their store. After that, we can store it in our database, and by storing it in the database, we have a 12-hour cron job that automatically runs every 12 hours. It tracks changes such as new product sales, new items that you just got into your store, maybe things that run out of stock. All of that needs to be updated by Google, and we make that easy, seamless. You don't have to lift a finger if you're a store owner. And